All right, y'all see it. Got another Bears day, man. Market pulling back. Gonna take advantage of this dip and this pullback today. Got a nice list, dividend list here. Got some little growth stocks in it too, but we about to give ourselves a raise. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Did get up, see a notification about, I guess, Donald Trump in China talked about it. Said he was something about fragile towards the tariffs. I don't know what that mean. I didn't mean the article, but it seemed like whatever it wasn't good. Got to look at some videos, do my research on it, see what's going on. But yeah, man, we're gonna take advantage of this. Definitely got some bangers out here. We're gonna get some swing trades. Just to let you know, urgently, I did get out of this play. See, I let y'all know everything I do, the way I move. I did get out of SBSW. I sold it at $5.94. Y'all know, anytime the gold stocks or precious metal stocks starting to go up, that means that people not having faith in the US dollar, so they turning towards gold, silver, precious metals. That's why this is up. Anyway, I got out at as you can see, I sold 200 shares. That's all I had for $591. I had an average cost probably in the $3 or $4 range, somewhere in there. Anyway, the main reason I did it is because of this, the ADR, the American Depository Receipts. We're saying that this is a non-US based company. Dealing with these, I'm gonna show you my dividends. So why I got out of it. You got to pay a fee just for owning the company, being that it's not a US based company. Let me go to a dividend payment, which I think they might have stopped paying a dividend too. That's why I got out of it. But anyway, when you get the dividend, they withheld some of the funds of a percentage of it. Go to dividends, show you something. This the last one I got was October 26th. And as you can see, I had 116 shares. It paid 0.08 a share. The total amount withheld was $2.58, and the total amount is $10.32. So really, I guess it was $12.80. Well, that'd be $12.90. They withheld $2.58. So I got $10.52. So that's like 20% you paying in the ADR fees. That's why I got out of it. So anything with that, I'm getting out of those. Another one I'm gonna get out of is this one, ING Bank. If y'all hold this, ING, this another one that has those fees. I'm gonna show you a dividend payment also. You can see what I'm talking about for y'all beginning traders. This is a dividend payment here. As you see, he pays 68 cents a share out quarterly at 12.3 shares. Total amount is $8.41. They withheld $1.48. So you're gonna be able to claim that on your taxes now. You'll have a on your 1099, they have amount withheld, but you put that down on your taxes when you do them. But I'm just getting out of those plays, man. It's a lot of bank stocks that's better than ING that you can have, and it's some precious metal company, gold company here like Bears Gold and all that you can get here too, man. That's not as volatile as SBSW. But let's get to trading, man. I'm gonna go ahead and start out with this one and knock this one out. I'm buying this one. It's a swing trade. Does pay a nice dividend. Some people, I have read an article saying that you are going, this is one of the REITs that you're gonna regret not buying now, being that it's cheap. There was this one, ticker GMRE. I think that's gaming and leisure REIT, and there was another one. Read an article on it, but this here was on there. I already got my I brought 25 shares today at 0.1862. So I'm dollar cost averaging in this one. Just gonna be risky play. Like I said, you probably want to stay out of it. But for y'all that like to take risks, it's a B1 for you. It does pay a dividend yield around about 8.5%. Ready Capital BDC that's getting beat up. So definitely going to get some of this here. Pays a nice quarterly. Got a double-digit dividend yield. HPP Another one I say stay out of, but if you want to swing trade, it's going to go back above the $3 mark. And it pays a nice dividend. Think about a 5 or 6% dividend. 5.03% dividend. Going in today at $1.90. I'm trading my way up out of it anyway. This the time you're going to lower your average cost. It's the time to do it. Another one I like, a monthly payer, OXSQ. Might get some backlash on this one, but this has been paying 3.5 cents a share since I've been trading since 2020. So I'm definitely loading up on this one. Right now I got 1,158 shares at $2.53. Buy order already went through today. I brought another 100 shares I had set. So definitely getting some more of this. It's at 236. Which I can chill because I already got some today, but just alerting y'all, I will be buying 5 shares of that every day, maybe 20 shares. Fiat, FIAT, came down to like 523 today. Pays a nice monthly dividend. That is the inverse on Coinbase. So being that Fiat is down, I mean Coinbase is up. So definitely getting some more of that. I brought 7 shares today. I brought 2 at 525 and 5 at 523 in another portfolio. This one I'm just dollar cost averaging on in. ORC, I know this paid 12 cents a share a month. I already got my 1,000 shares, so just dollar cost averaging in at these prices. USOI is another one, pays out monthly. Got about a 22% yield. Definitely buying at these prices, lowering my average cost, $10 a day. This is exchange traded notes, doing option covered calls on crude oil. Pays a consistent, reliable. I think this month is paying 85 cents a share. Western Union, y'all know this coming down. Just need to lower my average cost, loading up at this under the $10 mark. Got about a 9.5% dividend yield. WEN, Wendy's also getting beat up. I already got $6 of this earlier today. It's coming down some more. I get another $2 while I'm online with y'all. I'll go with HRZN, Horizon Technology. Already got my 1,000 shares of this, getting $3 a day, just lowering my average cost. Dollar cost average is on down. Right now I'm at 1,044 shares at $9.90. RYLD, definitely getting some of this one. Pays in 14.5 cents a share right now, being that it's trading low. I already got my 1,000 shares of this. So I got 1,070 shares, $15.28 with an average cost. Gonna get QYLD. I want to get this around that $16 mark. Bring it down. I like that at 17 and under, paying like 16.5, 17 cents a share a month. XYLD is green today, but I like paying these three together. I'm gonna do a video on the Global X funds, 38.24. See, I'm at 39.57, taking advantage of this dip. And SDIV is another Global X fund I like. Pay like 19 to 21 cents a share. I'm at 24.98. All right. PFLT, pending it floating rate, pays 10 cents a share a month. It's gonna go back past the $11 mark. Half a share of that every day at these prices, knowing my average cost. I'm gonna get some Gladstone land. What's the market cap on land? I wonder. Just curious. 343 million, dividend yield 5.75%. So definitely getting this, especially that this below the $10 mark. All right, back at land, man. Had to get out the app and close it and open it back up. I don't know what's up with Robinhood lately. Been doing it for the last couple months on both of my phones and my tablet. So I don't know. Guess it is what it is. Gonna keep pushing forward. AGNC 12 cent a share a month, like this at 920 and under. Just want to bring down my average cost on this. Load up when it get back around the $8 mark. GOGL, Golden Oceans Group, Marine Dry Shipping Company. It's definitely gonna go back up when all this tariff stuff is over with. Like this at $8 and under. It'll be a nice swing trade. DX, Dynex Capital. 17 cent a share a month. Get a half a share of that. Ride it on down. This where you got to load up at, man. I know right now it's hard. There's a lot going on in the world, the economy, but it's time you got to get a side hustle. SCHD, buying whole stock. I got this on recurring $1 a day. I like it under that $27 mark. Trying to lower my average cost on this. I got it in another portfolio. Got about 84 shares. I'm around it to 100. Probably this on the next major pullback, especially go below getting that $25 range. Viatris buying whole stock. Got to lower your average cost here. If you're gonna do it, best time is to do it now, especially under the $9 mark. TWO. Two Harbors is another one. Nice dividend. Yield 15.14%, 1.21 market cap. Definitely want to get. Need to come down to this one also. Yeah, half a share, $6 worth. Pays a nice quarterly dividend. ARR. I'm a residential REIT. Like this at 19 and under. I'll ride this on down, 24 cents a share a month. Was getting $10, but I'm gonna let it come back down. If I am NLY, definitely want to have. Pays like $6.60 or 70 cents a share quarterly. MED, Metafast. Taking advantage of this pull back and dip. Gotta get ticker ABR. It's below the $10 mark. Arbor Residential REIT. Not Arbor Residential. I'm sorry, man. Arbor Realty Trust. Got a nice juicy dividend of this one coming out. They did a dividend cut. Some people selling them, but I'm buying that dip. They say when things get better, they'll hike it back. But even got a good yield now. Kraft Foods, y'all know this it's a buying whole stock here. Nike pulling back. Things at the $61 mark. I'm going to get out of this stock here later on when it runs up. Going to be one I'm going to dump. I'm gonna go with PSEC, Prospect Capital, 4.5 cents a share. I think this one I might trade out of too. It's still paying a good dividend. Cut its dividend from 6 cents to 4.5 cents a share. Still got a 17% yield, if that's accurate. 339 low with a high of 572. 354 today, and that's why I like it at the 356 and under mark. So I get 2 shares of this every day to bring down my average cost. Got this in 2 portfolios. What the day? Yes, August 19th, extended hours. Okay, that's 90 days. I don't know why I'm thinking. The day like the 21st. I just seen the 19th. Was thinking it's August, but what is his May? All right, that's everything on my list. I did get some RPT too for y'all that did follow me on that one. 2 shares came in today. All right, ticker RPT. Dividend yield 8.7%, 52-week high 386 with a low of 228. So definitely gonna be swing trading this one and collect that dividend yield. What it is, 272. Want to get me 2 shares of this, bringing down my average cost. Even though I already got some today. Let's go check out traps. Yep, market pulling back. New Tech One is another one I'm in. 6.74% yield, 2.92 million market cap, 52-week high, 1549 with a low of 912. P ratio 5.9. It's another one for a nice swing trade here. Lower my average cost into it. Leggett and Platt, another one I'm gonna go get some of. Let's just see where it's at. I know it was riding up some. 3% discount today. I get some of that. One of they gonna get bought out by another company or merged, cause that company done took a hit for the longest. It's not the same company it was before. Times has changed. GPMT is another one. 236. Swing trade gonna go above the $3 mark. Pay a double-digit yield dividend. What that was? Yep. Dividend yield 8.13%. $3.66 is the high. So once it reached that high, go in and swing it. Hell, let go to $3.25. You can sell it. Get on out early. I'm back. Sorry, I got a call from my kids. All right, pets. Another one I'm gonna trade out of for y'all that's in this one. This gonna go back above the $4 mark. Haven't been paying a dividend for a while. Still 12.53% dividend payment. Yield. I'm gonna check that out now because I've been holding that for the longest. And I don't remember a dividend from it. Haven't got a dividend since August 2023. But this another one I will be dumping. I'm gonna be a swing trade. 52-week high, $6.85 with a low of $2.90. 378 today. Going in and get some shares. This gonna ride back above the $4 mark. I will be scalping profit, selling shares. What was that price? 378. So you can get some shares in case it come down, buying two shares a day out of it. We already got Land, Viatris, Medifast, RYLD, PFLT. We already got those on my list. Junk bond is another safe one for y'all that just, if you got a boatload of money and want to go for safety, something with a high yield, 7.33% yield. This does pay out monthly. 52-week high, 97.90 with a lower $90.40. I'm gonna let this pull on back some more. It's at 95.41. I'm at 96. I just be throwing $5, $3 whenever it's in the buy range. You see it's got a low at $90 with a high at 96, so it's trades between that level. This the other REIT I was telling you about, Global Medical REIT. That they say people gonna regret buying at these prices, along with the OPI. Let me put this on my list so I can come down in this one. GMRE. That was one of the other ones, and there was another one. I got to go back and read the article if I still have it. Yeah, Redwood Trust. It's a nice one, 753 million market cap, dividend yield 11.73%, 52-week high 815 with a low of 468. Nice double digit there, Redwood Trust. It's about to get ugly out here, man. So y'all better be going for these dividends. Lionel Basel. No, I've been coming down in this one. Dividend yield right now 9.06%. Was getting 10. I'm gonna get $8 a day. Look like this about to come down some more. RVSB, I got that as a sell. MFA Financial is 3% off today. 14.37% yield, high of a 9, 13.45, low 7.85. P ratio is at a 10. On the dollar cost average down in this one also. All right, we're gonna go get some AFCG, Alpha Gamma. Some marijuana stock to rent out warehouses to the marijuana grower. Nice double-digit yielder. I will be getting out of this one. Don't really care too much for the marijuana plays anymore. I think the boom done already took place around 2020, 2022. And then real estate kind of taking a hit. A lot of landlords lowering rents, just trying to get stuff rented. A lot of landlords selling houses, getting rid of stuff, liquidating properties because they just dead weight sitting and got these mortgage payments that they not making because it's hard to rent out stuff. So they cutting down the rent just to get a tenant in it, and at least to make the mortgage. Not making a whole lot of money. Goldman Sachs BDC. Nice quarterly payout, 34 cents. I think it's 34 cents they lowered. It was 40. They lowered to 34 cents. But they also pay you an extra dividend. Special dividend, you want to call it. Also, NYMT, New York Mortgage Trust. Another REIT to have. Lower my average cost in that one. Let's go check this one out. Show y'all why. 615 million market cap, which I like everything over $1 billion, 11.4% yield. Got this as buying and hold. 727 is the high, 502 is the low. But I got, like I said, I got a list. Got about 7 REITs I'ma hold on to. Most of them gonna be monthly payers. Got Angles grocery store. Y'all stay out of this one. Gonna get out of this one too. If I'm gonna do groceries, I'll either do Kroger's, being a small market cap, Walmart or Costco. Target, I'm staying away from Target. I don't really like Target. It's a nice dividend play though, but I'd rather have those others. I think when it comes to Target and Walmart, Target going to be number 3 out of all of them. All right, RINC is a real estate income ETF. Plays out monthly. Nice double-digit yielder every month. At the yield max section, Walmart coming on down today. Seen this round by $86. Definitely a buy. It's 86 or 96. I don't think it broke past, 96, not 86. But since I'm here, know this a buy and hold stock. I like Walmart over the S&P 500, to be honest. Shamera Investments, another REIT. Nice one to have, 10.5% yield, $1 billion market cap. 1689 52-week high with a low of 985. I'm at 1575. Got Suns coming down. It's another one I'm going to get out of. We got Wendy's, XDTE, all that. SCHD, we got that. Floating rate. USOY still in buy range. Options on oil. Pays a monthly dividend. At 12.13. And get some DEA. 27.82. I'm at 21.31. Nice dividend yield there too. They rent out the properties to the government. 12.08% yield. So market cap is 950. This probably gonna be another one I'ma dump. I'm gonna keep ARR, AGNC, probably ABR. I'll let you know on the others. OMAH is the one Warren Buffett added on. Supposed to pay out monthly. I'm doing a test run on this one. And you got SVOL down 27 cents a share a month. It's at 1902. Probably gonna stop buying. I got an average cost of 16.54, so I'm actually up, but it still got some room to run, so that's why I'm buying it. But that's it, man. Enjoy y'all day. Long trade, but it is what it is. Signing off. Go get your money.